eBay. It's either a wonderful thing or a terrible thing, depending on how you look at it. I've been away for a few weeks, but the joy of eBay is that you can carry on shopping even when you're away. And after much searching for nearly a year, I've finally managed to find Proto 2000 Alco PA in the Union Pacific colours. And at the same time, coming up, were a pair of E7s. I got these quite cheap. They're about £35 each. The Alco was £45. And again, at the same time, looks like someone was clearing out, was a Union Pacific SW9/1200 in the Union Pacific colours. I picked that up for 25 quid. And something I've never ever had before, the Proto 1000s, and it was a pair of the Erie built Fairbanks Morse, again in Union Pacific colours, and I think they came in at about £30 each. Not bad. And within a week, gets worse, within a week, something which is quite exciting is this Broadway limited section of F7s in the A, B and C as they call them, or an ABB combination, and they all came in, I think I picked those up for 117 quid, which for a quality locomotive wasn't too bad. So let's have a look at them in action on the track. Right, here's the SW, just doing a little shunting move. Yeah, it seems to be a pretty smooth performer. They've got nice mechanisms on them, these Proto 2000s. Lovely can motors which always seem to operate pretty smoothly. Right, well here's the Fairbanks Morse, Erie built. So the Proto 1000 has the same mechanism as the Proto 2000, so they're very, very smooth. And they're able to pull a pretty decent sized train as well. And there go the E7s rattling along. Pretty bright, that yellow, isn't it? Maybe not everybody's cup of tea. I quite like it. And here are the Broadway Limited F7 set of A, B and C, or ABB, however you want to do it. And pulling the same length of train.